How to swap USDT to BNB token on Uniswap using the Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. Before starting, make sure that your Cypherock X1 Vault is connected to your laptop. Step 1. Visit the Uniswap website and launch app. Let's change the network to BNB chain. Step 2. Connecting the wallet. Click on Connect Wallet and then select Wallet Connect. You will see a QR code along with a desktop option. From that list, select Cypherock. You will be redirected to the CySync app. Select the BNB chain account from which you want to make the transaction and select Continue. Go back to Uniswap website and you can see that your wallet is successfully connected. Step 3. Choose the tokens. Select USDT and then BNB token. You will see an estimated amount of BNB token which you will receive after the swap. You will also have to pay the transaction fees to execute the transaction. After you are done reviewing, select Swap and then Confirm Swap. Step 4. Executing the transaction on the CySync app. You will be redirected to the CySync app. Select Continue. On the X1 device using the joystick, select the checkmark option. Blind signing, okay? Verify the derivation path, okay? Match the recipient ID shown on the device with the one on the CySync app. Select the checkmark option. This is the transaction fees. Click the checkmark option. Enter the PIN if you have set up one. Fetch and tap any X1 card on the X1 device. Your transaction was successful, and now let's check the transaction status. We will wait for this to load. As you can see, the transaction was successful. Step 5. Checking the CySync app for the swapped tokens. We will resync the CySync app with the blockchain and we will wait. The tokens have been successfully swapped. So this is how you swap USDT to BNB using the Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet.